The driver Highland or the mountain tour of the upper land of Cebu City. And then second is the historical landmark in the old downtown of Cebu City. And then the third one is your pasalubong souvenir. And then the last will be the 10,000 roses located at Cordova Island near in Mactan. So reminders na or disclaimer, 10,000 roses, it's not a garden ha. It is only a coffee shop. The flowers are there are designed only. Oh. Yeah. Oo. Huwag kayong magbilang doon, no? Pira lang po yung bibilangin nyo tapos ibigay nyo sa akin, no? Tapos huwag po kayong dito, loves me not kasi malayo pang Valentine's Day. Yeah. So, it's a coffee shop po, my dear tourists, no? And then, for your upper land, my dear tourists, we're going to visit some selected tourist spots. Same with your historical landmark, it's also selected. So first in the list of your upper land would be the Sirao Flower Farm Garden. Second is the Temple of Leia. And then last is the Philippine Taoist Temple. And then for your historical landmark naman, we have 3 historical landmarks to visit in Cebu City, in the old downtown of Cebu. Una, we have the Cebu Heritage Park and Monument. Second is the Magellan's Cross, which is the main highlights of your Cebu City tour. And then last is the Basilica Melnoria del Santo Niño. Okay, so reminders no, my dear tourists, in Santo Niño, today it's Sunday. Huwag lang kayong pipila ha, if ever kung makapasok kayo, no? Because there's a proper decent attire doon sa loob ng Santo Niño Church. Bawal po yung mga naka-sexy-sexy, bawal na crop top. You should be a proper decent attire. I guess the travel agency advised you about sa church, no? Kung makapasok man kayo if ever, wag lang kayo pipila, no, kay Santo Niño, just only for viewing na lang ha. You will be blessed naman with Santo Niño, no? Bet senior kanilang lahat. Bet senior? Yes, bet senior, no? Kakatapos lang po ng fiesta namin dito sa Cebu ngayon, ano daw, fiesta ngayon sa Iloilo.
Kamusta po ang Sinulog?
Oh my gosh, napakasaya. Sinulog is the grandest festival and the most expensive festival here in the Philippines. And then the colorful. And then, kaming mga taga Cebu, kapag nagse-celebrate kami ng fiesta dito, yung mga bisita namin, hindi uuwi na gutom.
Sino pa ang panalo po?
Hindi ko na panood, sir. Hindi ako nakapag-update kung sino talaga yung nanalo. Kasi ang dami kasi mga content dyan. At ang haba ng video. Oo, skip ko na lang. Mga clip-clip lang yung pinanood ko. Yung mga formation nila, ganon. Oo. Yes, oo. Yeah. Sana ba tayo?
Dati pala American to, binenta sa Chinese, Filipino. Ito rin Beverly Hills dito sa Cebu.
Nagpunta tayo dito ano?
Noon pa?
45 years ago.
Oo.
Umbrella.
Mga malasik.
Kanya lips na lang. Last Spider-Man. Yeah, by the way, my dear tourists, so welcome to the Philippine Taoist Temple. So right now, we are now entering the mini replica of the Great Wall of China. So we are now here at the Great Wall of China. Okay, reminders inside of the temple, my dear tourists, no picture taking.
Sure.
Even videos, we're not allowed to take videos or picture inside of the chapel or in the altar, no? The reason is to respect their gods or saints inside. But the structures, you can also take picture as your background for the picture taking.
There is also, if you have some dishes, you have to throw coins.
Yes, upstairs.
Yeah.
Oo.
Because
Kaya bang makiat? Oo, baka mabana ko dito sa China. Mapawi ako ng Cebu City. Andun ko na ngayon Cebu City. Magkalapit lang. Okay. Bakit andito si Spider-Man? Yes. Okay. Yeah, so when we enter here, in the temple, the first to welcome with us is the dragon, my dear tourists. Yeah. Because according to Chinese belief, dragon, it's a lucky charm. So perfect this year. This year is year of the snake frog. Yeah, because it's rainy season. Okay. I'm just joking. Year of the snake. It's my year. And then dragon and snake, it's friend daw.
Yeah. Dragon.
For to become successful this 2025, you must have a picture with the dragon background, the temple, the pagoda. Yes. Oh, who wants to have a picture here? I'll take picture. Oh, sige, go.
May dito ka.
Oo.
Sa likod ko.
Pila-pila lang kayo. Okay.
Nasa yung dragon. Wala.
Taas mo doon.
Okay.
Ayun.
Ayun ang dragon. Oh.
Sige.
Okay. Okay na.
There, ma'am. One, two, three. Again, walk back ka, sir. 1, 2, 3. O, tingin na, tingin na. Look at me again. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, yeah,
Okay
stop,
lang yung may
stop.
tao kasi
Taka.
nasa Great Wall of China
So,
tayo.
gusto mo,
Portrait. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3.
Saan ba tayo nagpakuha no? Dati?
Doon. Oh. Diyan sa harapan.
Hindi na siya dyan dito.
Ito na.
Saan tayo nag-picture taking natin?
Diyan sa gitna. Diyan. Dito tayo noon.
Hindi ba doon?
Hindi doon. Dito. Ito, nandito na kami ngayon ulit.
After 45 years.
Nakabalik kami dito.
Nung pumunta kami dito, hindi mga ano tayo, wala pa tayong anak.
Wala pa.
Ngayon isa na kaming Lola and Lolo. Si Lolita at saka si Lolito.
Okay. Dito tayo.
Bababa pa ba tayo dati?
Dito tayo nata eh. Baba. Pababa doon.
Tapos doon tayo mag-bimit.
Ay, hindi na. Hindi tayo baba kung ano. Baka hindi ka makaakyat eh.
Oh, alam ko, hindi ka sure ha?
Di wala pa yun noon eh.
Okay, sige.
Sa baba lang noon, makakit tayo eh.
Hindi yung pauwi, bababa tayo dyan? O
Hindi,
babalik
tanong
tayo?
natin.
Oh, sige.
O kung doon tayo dadaanan. Diba? Ikaw, papasok ka ba doon? Hindi ko papasok doon. Wala mo ng agenda doon.
Pwede ang pumasok, magdadasal ako sandali. Mag-iwi siya.
Dito pala meron eh.
Wala na kami, mag-iikot ka. Habang nagdadasal ako.
dito, dito. Dito, sir. Pagoda, it means fortune. Fortune and then going to heaven. Yes. Would you like to go to heaven?
Of course.
Yes, but not now.
But now,
80 years from
just wait.
80 years. Ilang taon na kaya ako natitigil? I am 29 na ngayon.
Eh, may 8 taon pa ako. 72 na ako eh.
72 plus 80, sir.
Kuko na tayo together.
Ha? Tayo, together. Together, my darling.
Yes, together. 1, 2, 3.
Malapit na kami kasal ulit eh.
One more. 1, 2, 3. Akbay ka, sir. 1, 2, 3. Look each other. 1, 2, 3. Tingin dito, taas. 1, 2, 3.
Tulis ng huso.
Tingin dito. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Sige. And then the restroom, no? There.
Mahulog ka pala. Replica, ang dami ano. Nakita niya to. Philippine Taoist Temple. Taoist. Ito ang paligid, oh. Kaganda, puro puno. Ito souvenir shop.